Y'all, I am so looking forward to summer 2021. And let me tell you why. Because this girl has gone and quit her job and decided to become a stay-at-home wife. Words that I thought would never cross these lips. But here we are. I have decided to take some time to focus on myself and to focus on the family and to focus on our home. And so I'm gonna need a little bit of a wardrobe adjustment, if you know what I mean, because I'm not gonna just be any old housewife running around and whatever. I want you to think of the most like glamorous housewife that you could possibly think of, short of being a real housewife, because we cannot have that. And that's what I will be. So I asked my stylist Kristen from Fashom for pieces to outfit this cosmopolitan, suburban, modern housewife that I plan to be this summer. And I am hoping that she nailed it. One of the amazing things about Fashom, besides the fact that they have really incredible clothes at really great prices, is that you can request an exclusive call with your stylist, which I have done. So Kristen and I are like BFFs. We have really gotten to know each other over our Zoom call we had last year. And so she really gets my style, and I feel like she's really in tune with who I am and what I am looking for in my closet. So I'm very excited to see what she picked out for me. I hope that you guys are excited as well. And if you are, stay tuned. All right, let's take care of the business. First things first, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button and also make sure you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a single minute of this amazingness. And of course, if you have been here along for the ride for quite some time, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend it with me. I appreciate it. Beyond that, if you are not familiar with Fashom, here is what you need to know. Fashom is a styling service where you can request clothes be sent to your house based on your style profile. You can even, like I said, request a personal call with your stylist so they can get to know you a little bit better. There is, the first box is always free. So if you haven't used Fashom before, I have a referral code that is in the description box below. But you get that first month free, and then it is a $20 styling fee after that. That $20 is always credited towards anything that you might keep in the box. They will send you 5 pieces to your home where you can try them on in your own peace and quiet with all the other things that are already in your wardrobe. You have 3 days to try everything out. Send back what you don't love, pay for and keep what you do. And that, my friends, is that. And then don't forget that $1 of every single Fashom box goes towards a dog rescue in NYC, which I absolutely love because I am a dog mom, as you guys know, and I have a special place in my heart for the puppies. So, all right, let's jump into today's video. So I've already had a little bit of a sneak peek as to what's inside of this box, because the way Fashom works is that they put the items that they intend to send you into into the app, and so you can kind of click and say, yes, I want this one, yes, I want this one, yes, I want this one, up to 5 pieces, of course. So I've had a chance to kind of already see what's in the box. However, it's not the same to see it in a picture on an app as it is, of course, to see it in real life. So let's see what she sent me. The first item in here is a Kelly green shirt, and it is by MTS, I believe that's the name here. And I'm gonna try and figure this out here. I don't know if this is the top or not. I think that's the top. All right, so maybe I'm trying to figure this out as we go here. Yeah, okay, so that's the top, and I think it knots in the middle and then does kind of a tuliping in the front, if I'm not mistaken. So that is the front and back. I really love the shape of this piece. I don't know if I'm in love with the vertical striping, but the shape of it is really good. I'm kind of trying to project a little bit of these like 70s-ish vibes. I just want everything to be very flowy and soft and comfortable, but still having my kind of rocker chic edge to it. So the next thing she sent me is a heather gray top. It's a tank, actually. It's really soft, super comfortable, bra friendly, which you guys know is a big deal for me. And then it's got this fun detailing at the bottom here. And again, kind of has this handkerchief hem at the bottom. Okay, So I love the detailing there. The trim is beautiful. It's just really kind of fun. And it does have kind of retro vibes to it. Next is this, looks like kind of a leopardy print, kind of maybe more cow print. I'm not sure here, but I think it is a kimono. Yeah, here we go. All right, so I remember Kristen suggesting that I like tie it in the front, although I probably would just wear it long because I love the flowiness. I don't think I necessarily need to have it tied in front, although I know that is kind of a trending style, but I like just kind of having it nice and flowy. I love wearing these kind of kimonos over like jean shorts or something, but you guys do know that I have sent back kimonos in the last few weeks just because I don't reach for them very often. And so we'll see if this is something that I love enough to keep in my closet, you know, and maybe think I would reach for it. The next thing she sent me here is a pair of white denim, and I'm actually wearing a pair of white denim today. So I don't know that I necessarily need another pair of white denim, but what I do like about this particular pair is, first of all, it's by Just Black. And also, this pair of denim has no distressing on it at all whatsoever. Oh, I lied. It does. There's a big old leg rips here. So this makes this pair very similar to the pair that I already have on, which I picked up. I think they're by Studio Blue, and I think I thrifted them last year, if I'm not mistaken. So I don't know if I, you know, necessarily need another pair of white denim. So, you know, unless the cut on this is particularly different, I'll probably pass on these. But I feel like white denim is kind of a staple that you should have in your summer collection. The final piece she sent me, I believe, is a dress, and I think it is a navy print. Trying to find the top here. Oh, no, it's a jumpsuit. I remember, because this was the piece I was most excited about. Okay, it's by GILLI, I think is how you pronounce it, G-I-L-L-I. And it is a jumpsuit, and I'm very excited to try this on. It has like a faux wrap top to it. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to tack this at the top because I have a feeling it's not gonna stay closed, but that's okay. I have I've got workarounds for that. It has an elastic waist in here, and then obviously it's a pant style. I hope that these legs are long enough. That's something I always have to be concerned about, is whether the length on a jumpsuit is going to be good for me. As you know, if you've been following along, I have a 33-inch inseam, and so I need pants to be really long in order for them to kind of look right on me. All right, that is everything that is in the box. I'm going to go change and do a try on for you. All right, there's a lot to unpack here, so let's just dive into this first outfit. Can I start by asking a question? Why do mom jeans exist? Like, the whole point of calling them mom jeans is that when moms wore them way back when, it made them look a little frumpy and a little too, like, full around the middle, right? Okay, so why? Look, I don't need any extra whatever around the midsection. I'm doing enough all by myself. So the concept of mom jeans for me is just lost. Sorry. But these are the Just Black denim in a high-rise destroyed mom jean. They're white, obviously. And they're okay. She sent them to me in a 31. My usual size is a 30. So if you're interested in these jeans, you definitely need to size up. But as you'll see in the first part of the video, they just were really bunchy for me around the hip and the crotch. And I just didn't find these to be flattering at all. So I quickly took them off and put my own white jeans back on, which is what you'll see throughout the rest of this video. So yeah, enough of those. I'm not convinced on the mom jean trend, so we're just not even gonna go there. I'm trying to find some place to set these. All right, but let's move on to this striped shirt. I'm pretty sure that I started off with it on backwards, and I was trying to figure out what exactly was happening with the tag because it was hitting me kind of like in the bust, and I was like, why is it here? Shouldn't it be in the back? And then I realized maybe I have it on backwards. I don't know. My point is, I think this top could be worn front or front facing or backwards. Either way, I think it would work. If you're a little more daring and not afraid to show off a little skin, you could definitely wear it with the knot part tied in the front and just kind of wear it a little bit open. I wasn't opposed to it once I got my regular jeans back on, or if you were wearing like a high-waisted pair of pants or jeans or leggings or something like that. Or if you're just somebody who doesn't mind showing off your midsection. I'm not one of those girls, sorry. But with my mid-rise white jeans on, the ones that I'm wearing right now, I still felt pretty comfortable about having that openness in the front. So I think I could wear it to the front. When it's worn properly, which I think is with the long stripes, like the solid front and the knot in the back, I don't know if I loved it quite as much. It was just very long. You guys know I'm not really into tunics, so that's not really my thing. So it just was kind of weird. And I kept wondering, like, if I put a belt on it, like a chain belt, so it felt very like 70s, 80s, would it work? But then I was like, no, because then the back is open. And I love that like knotted openness in the back. I love it in the front. I just, I don't know. I'm very conflicted about this top, and I'll definitely be trying it on with some other things to kind of make a decision about what I want to do with that top. But I loved the vibe of it. That was what really sold me on like even wanting to keep, you know, continuing to style this top, because the vibe of it just is so like disco. And I'm totally into that. So it made me want to just keep playing with it a little bit more to see if there was some way that I could salvage that top. We shall see. All right, let's move on to the next outfit. I tried on the tank top first, which is really actually pretty cute. I wasn't sure if I loved the way it kind of stuck to the bust line and then kind of flowed straight down, but I didn't hate it either. I also like the asymmetry, that it's a little longer on one side, you know, both front and back. It's very comfortable, super soft. I love the detailing on it. Like I mentioned to you guys, that kind of small like pom-pom detailing, I just think is so much fun. But I think what really made this tank a little better for me is when I actually put the kimono over it. So first of all, I really love this kimono. It's so fun. The print is so fun. The colors are really flattering for me. And when I put it on, I was just like, oh, I'm somebody else now. I just felt really transported. I feel like leopard print is my like kindred spirit. So I'm drawn to all things leopard print. I love a good, and I don't even know if this is technically leopard. It looks a little more cow print than leopard print to me, but in any respect, anyway, it worked. And I really did love it. And I think I might actually reach for it because it's just fun. And for me, it's a timeless piece, something I could like pair together with a red or blue or gray or navy or obviously black or white. And I just feel like it's so versatile that I might get quite a bit of wear out of it. And of course it can be tied in the front as Kristen suggested. I just don't think that I probably will. I'll probably just wear it loose with a pair of denim cutoffs and some kind of, you know, top. So that is actually a really great piece. Let's move on to outfit number 3. Yeah, 3. This is by far my favorite piece in this box. I love this jumpsuit. It is so comfortable and it has pockets. Of course, anytime a dress or jumpsuit has pockets, it's like bonus. So yeah, it's really comfortable. Total bonus is that it's so long. It's actually like so long that I could have it hemmed if I wanted to, but I'll probably be wearing it with, you know, some kind of wedge or a small kitten heel or something like that. So I'm not really worried about the length. I would much rather it be too long than too short, which is usually the case. There's plenty of length here. My only complaint about this jumpsuit is, like I was mentioning before, that in the front, that faux wrap there doesn't stay put. So I did actually end up putting a little pin in there just to kind of keep it closed for some video footage that I shot for use later. But I also have some little like clips and things that will go in there really nicely. So I'm not worried about it not, you know, or I'm not worried about it showing too much at all. It's not a concern. It's not a deal breaker. That piece is definitely staying with me, you guys. All right, so that is everything that is in the box. You've seen all the pieces. Now I think it is time for a recap. All right, just so you all know, if you decide to keep 3 or more items in your box, you'll save 15% off the items that you keep. If you decide to keep all 5 items, you'll save 30% on your box, or off of all the pieces. And don't forget that that $20 styling fee is a credit that you can use towards anything that you purchase in the box. All right, let's talk about the pricing for the items in here. Let's start with the GILLI Mora Sleeveless Jumpsuit with pockets, the one that I love so much. It is $68, and that's before any discounts. I think that's a fabulous price. I would keep it just because of the fact that it's long enough, which is something so rare for me. It's so rare that I get a jumpsuit or a pair of pants that are actually long enough for me. So that is definitely a keeper for me. Next up is the Just Black Remi High Rise Destroyed Mom Jean. You guys obviously know how I feel about mom jeans right now, so it's a no-go for me, but they are $68. If you're interested in them, definitely size up at least one size, because that 31 waist that she sent me was definitely comfortable. I have a weird rise issue, and so they just were really bunchy, and like I said, I just don't care for mom jeans. Next is the MITTOSHOP Robin twist back top. So indeed, the twist does go in the back. It's $41. I'm on the fence about it because I can't decide how I want to style it, or if I'm willing to wear it with the twist in the front, because I don't know that I love having that twist in the back with the way the front looks, but I really love that vibe. Ugh, I'm so conflicted. So I'm gonna try that on with a few more things before I make any decisions about it, but it is $41. Next is the Studio Co Clothing Dana Asymmetric top. That's the tank top in the gray. It's $42. I'm gonna check my drawer to see if I have any other like gray tops or tanks or whatever, because I don't really need this one. It's really soft and super comfortable, but I could probably pass on it, especially at $42. And finally is the Les Amis June Animal Print Kimono. It's $39. It did really make me smile, and I think that should count for something. You guys, I have been so bored with my wardrobe and so bored with fashion lately, so it's nice to get something in a box, in a style box, that actually made me smile and like want to put it back on. So that has to count for something. So that kimono might be something that I keep as well. If I were to keep all 5 pieces, of course I would save 30%, saving me $77.40 and making my total $180.60, which is a great price for 5 pieces. Of course, I'm not going to keep them all because those jeans are definitely going back. But I'd be interested to hear what y'all thought about everything that I tried on, whether you think that top would work if I turned it to the front instead of the back, and just your general comments about Fashom and everything. Before I close this video, of course, we need to talk about the giveaway. That's why you're here. I'm not offended. That's why I would be here too. Everything you need to know is in the description box below. Be sure to follow the instructions very carefully, and you will be eligible to win one of 2 $50 Fashom gift cards, which I think is an amazing way to kickstart your summer wardrobe, even if you're not going to be a suburban housewife like I am this summer. All right, that is everything. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below. I would love it so much if you would give this video a like, hit that little thumbs up button. Do that for me. Why? Because you like me, because I like you. We're friends, right? Right, okay. And then until the next video, you know what to do. Live with love. Bye.